Hey, good looking. How you doing?
Yeah, good.
화상 채팅으로 데이트가 한창인 남녀.
Oh. Coming! Hold on one second, okay?
Wait, who's somebody?
I don't know.
분위기가 무르익던 그때
My God! Oh my God!
돌연 괴한에 습격을 당하는 남자.
Filming! I'm filming! Stop it! Leave!
여자는 화면 너머의 모습을 바라볼 수밖에 없었는데 심지어 다음날
No, Paula, please wire 50,000 or they're gonna kill me.
납치된 남자를 위해 거액의 몸값을 지불해야 하는 상황.
You have until 3 o'clock. If we don't get it, you know what we're capable of.
이에 곧장 은행으로 향한 그녀는
Hi, I'd like to make a wire transfer.
No problem, ma'am.
Will that go out today?
We should just make it.
Okay.
How much would you like to wire?
$1.
$1? Mm-hmm. Okay.
돌연 단 1달러를 송금하기로 결심합니다. 도대체 그녀는 무슨 생각을 하고 있는 것일지. 애플 TV 시리즈 도파민 최대 보장 시작합니다.
How does this look?
The goat is too small.
Really?
It's a small goat, yeah.
새 아파트에서 이삿짐을 푸는 폴라.
Like, stop and just, come on, have a beer with me.
I need to get this place set up, or else Carl's not gonna let Hazel sleep here.
화상 채팅 넘어 트레버에게 하소연을 늘어놓는데
How's the house?
You know it's an apartment, and it's fucking dreamy.
But I know how bad you want to see Hazel over the holiday. It's just impossible and it's not going to work.
You can't do me one favor?
I can't do you this favor.
양육권을 두고 전 남편 칼과 벌이는 이혼 소송을 비롯
Oh, well, I mean, it's 3,000 words, and I just got it.
Yes, but somebody is always late on a deadline. He is onto a major story, though, so we have to move. We need this article by end of day. Do you feel me?
마감 재촉에 시달리는 뉴스 편집자 업무까지 그녀의 스트레스 지수는 극에 달하는 중이었는데 당장이라도 폭발할 것 같았던 그녀의 유일한 탈출구는
Guys, I want to move my gator, but we need more cha-ching in those chats, you know?
We want to see our tips. We need to see your tip.
스트립쇼를 선보이는 인터넷 성인 방송 웹캠. 그리고 하소연을 들어주던 트레버 역시
Oh shit, I hate to do this, but we've only got like 6 minutes left.
Already?
Yeah, unless you want another hour?
Can we make 6 minutes work?
Do you know how fast I can get you off?
그녀가 최애로 애정하는 웹캠 모델이었습니다.
You are so smart and funny and sexy as hell.
그렇게 여느 때처럼 데이트를 즐기던 어느 날
Yo. Coming! Hold on one second, okay?
Wait, who's somebody?
I don't know. Coming!
돌연 괴한에 습격을 당한 트레버.
My God! Oh my God! Leave him alone! Leave him alone!
모니터 너머의 충격적인 상황에
I'm filming! I'm filming! Stop it! Leave him alone! Oh my God, leave him alone! I'm filming you, motherfucker!
Go CP.
And just to clarify, this was all during an internet sexting, ma'am?
그녀는 경찰에 신고하게 되는데
Respectfully, I'm only asking because I think it may be fake.
What do you mean it's fake?
하지만 사건을 맡게 된 형사 소피아는
Still, if he was assaulted, we wouldn't know where exactly to send police officers. And another possibility is that, as I said earlier, this could be fake. A scam.
Scam.
이를 로맨스 스캠, 즉 사기극이라고 판단했고
Assuming he did record you, he could blackmail you.
No, he wouldn't do that.
Okay, but still, this isn't the first time we've seen this kind of scam. And if it's that, tonight, maybe tomorrow, you're gonna get a call.
폴라와는 달리 꽤나 확신하는 모습이었는데 다음날 오랜만에 딸 헤이즐과의 시간을 보내는 그녀.
We did it! That one was really good. Can I post it?
I don't know. Are you ready to be super famous?
I only have 3 followers, Mom. You, Dad, and Mal.
그런데 그때
Hello!
Paula, it's me. It's Trevor.
그녀에게 걸려 트레버의 전화.
Just a sec, Hazelnut.
I need help. I need help because they kidnapped me. My mom gave me all the money and said it was it's not enough.
소피아의 예상대로 그는 몸값을 요구하기 시작했고
No, Paula, please wire 50,000 or they're gonna kill me.
지난밤 소피아의 조언대로 이를 무시하기로 하는데 문제는
Hello, Paula.
Paula, it's me.
How the fuck did you get this number? How the fuck did you get my fucking work number?
놈이 폴라의 개인정보를 꿰뚫고 있다는 것으로
I know it's a scam. Okay, I know it.
선 넘는 도발에 그녀가 분노하자
Either way, you need to pay. We know everything. Your job, your ex's job, cute little Hazel. We can destroy your life.
놈은 본색을 드러내기 시작하는데
I only sleeps with you when it's hot out.
예상치 못한 전개에 멘탈이 나가버린 그녀. 그리고 망설이던 찰나
Hey! You're 7 minutes late.
Hey, how many seconds?
Hi, Mommy.
I'm gonna talk to Mom for a second. I'll see you right in there, okay?
Okay.
설마 했던 최악의 상황을 맞이하는데
What the fuck are you doing, Paula?
What?
There's some guy named Trevor FaceTime me and he's desperate to talk to you. Who the fuck is Trevor?
결국 칼에게까지 협박 전화가 간 것으로
Is that who you're fucking now? You fucking midnight cowboy? What is wrong with you? You know what, actually, I'm calling my lawyers and I'm telling them this. And I'll tell you, Paula, you can forget about seeing Hazel over the holiday. That's not gonna happen. And
이젠 양육권마저 빼앗길 위기에 놓이고 마는데
tighten your fucking shit up.
궁지에 몰린 끝에
Alright, you can play your fucking game.
직접 놈을 잡고자 지난 영상을 분석하는 폴라. 프레임 단위로 뜯어보던 끝에
I think I found him.
트레버의 집을 찾아내고 마는데 그런데 열려있는 현관문.
Hello?
하게 살해된 트레버의 시신을 발견하는데 문제는 살인범 역시 아직 이곳에 있었다는 것이었습니다. 급한 대로 옷장에 숨는데 범인은 시신을 훼손하기 시작했고 조심스레 도주를 시도하지만 눈치 없이 울려버린 벨소리에 결국 들켜버린 폴라. 부상을 입은 채 가까스로 현장을 벗어났지만 문제는 딸의 축구화를 그만 현장에 떨어뜨리고 말았고 심지어 그날 밤 이를 현장에 돌아온 범인에게 빼앗기고 마는데 트레버를 살해한 범인의 정체는
Being profoundly cute is not a business plan. You need discipline.
다름 아닌 그의 남자친구였던 데니스.
You really are cute, you know that?
So, is that a yes? Because I really like to do this together.
If it makes you happy.
모종의 동업을 결심한 두 사람이었지만
Alright, I'll get you the good stuff.
그런 다음날 그를 살해해버린 것인데 하필이면 그 시각 이 살해 현장에 폴라가 방문했던 곳. 패닉에 빠진 폴라였지만
New message from Carl. New message from Susie Work. Oh my god. Fuck off. New message from Carl. New message from Steve.
이 와중에도 끊임없이 쏟아지는 그녀의 일상 스트레스.
I better get going.
Wait, what? Why?
Because I forgot how committed you are to ruining my life.
What's happening now isn't anyone's fault.
Isn't it yours a little bit?
꼴도 보기 싫은 전 남편의 연친 멜러리를 시작으로
Hi, it's Kira, Prem's mom. Prem really wants to play goalie today, but she has a piano recital soon.
정신사납게 쏟아지는 학부모의 연락.
So, fix your car? Yes, and I will, get these pages to you by EOD.
Not EOD, ASAP. This has to go live in 2 hours.
시도 때도 없이 재촉하는 직장 상사까지. 결국 이 미친 일상에 다시 몰두하던 그때
Yeah, I'm almost. Sorry, you have a visitor in the conference room?
Thank you for seeing me.
그녀를 다시 찾아온 형사 소피아.
Pretty little fart. He locked you out again.
아무것도 모르는 이웃집 여성이 프랭크의 혀를 찾아내고만 것이었는데
Sure looked like your guy.
이에
I was there.
목격한 사건을 털어놓는 폴라.
I saw the body.
하지만
So, you find a dead body. You think a killer is still in the house. You get away. You're safe. Then you skip off to work? All la-di-da? I mean, you have to admit it's strange. Why not call 911?
의문의 행보를 남긴 그녀는 오히려 소피아의 의심을 사고 마는데 갈수록 꼬여가는 상황에 결국 멘탈이 터진 그녀.
What was that all about?
Oh, nothing. I just got scammed online.
Ooh, that sucks. Yeah, dating sites can be brutal.
Which one do you use? The one where you have to show photos of your graduate degree or the one where you have to show photos of your butthole?
왼수 같던 직장 동료 루디와 게리에게
He was a cam boy.
Shit. Sorry.
Jesus, this is so embarrassing.
It's not. It's amazing.
It's the best thing that ever happened to me. Continue.
부끄러운 진실을 있는 그대로 털어놓았고
And now I get scammed by cam boys, and you guys think I'm a super freak.
동료들이 건네는 예상 밖의 위로를 빌어 트레보의 죽음은 곧 협박도 끝났다는 의미였기에 다시 일상으로 돌아오기로 결심하는데 하지만 또다시 걸려온 불길한 전화.
Hello?
You still owe money. 15,000.
영상에 괴한 트레보의 공범이 아직 남아있었다는 것으로
Get a pen. Routing number. You have until 3 o'clock. If we don't get it, you know what we're capable of. We'll ruin your fucking life.
몸값을 요구하는 놈에게
How much would you like to wire?
$1.
$1?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
돌연 1달러만 송금하는 그녀. 이는
Hello?
You think you're badass, huh? You have no idea who you're fucking dealing with.
Yeah, I did. I fucked you. Because you used to be anonymous, but you know what happens when you accept a wire transfer? There's a transaction receipt.
영수증을 통해 위치를 캐내려는 폴라의 계략이었는데
So yeah, I fucked you. OBG Properties LLC.
그런데
Yeah? Well now, Trevor fucking dies.
트레버의 죽음을 모르고 있는 공범.
What? Trevor is dead. He's dead. How do you not know that? Who is this?
이 일로 정체불명의 공범 역시 움직이기 시작합니다. 한편 그 시각 PS를 심은 신발을 복제하고
Hey, listen, I just found these outside. I figured they belong to a student with tiny feet named Hazel.
근방의 모든 초등학교에 미끼를 투척. 목격자 폴라를 추적하기 시작한 것인데 잠시 후 미끼를 물어버린 헤이즐. 결국 꼬리를 잡아낸 놈이었지만
Hazel Hendricks. I think your mom's here.
문제는 타겟을 헤이즐의 새엄마 멜러니로 오해한 것. 그렇게 미행을 시작한 놈은 홀로 산책을 나서는 멜러니를 포착. 끝내 그녀를 살해하려던 그때 그제서야 상황을 깨달은 데니스. 강도질로 꾸며내며 상황을 벗어났고
Hello?
이때 그에게 걸려온 경찰의 연락.
Detective Sofia Gonzalez with NYPD. I'm afraid I have some difficult news about Jeff Thorwald.
죽은 트레버, 본명 제프의 사망 소식에
Are you sure?
I'm afraid so.
Oh my god.
신들리는 연기로 소피아를 속여내는 데니스.
Sir, we will need to sit down and talk. You may have some information that could be vital. I'm very sorry, sir.
가뿐히 용의선상을 벗어나 버렸고 반면 갈피를 잃은 수사에 혼란스러운 소피아. 그런데 잠시 후
License plate on the security footage belonged to Paula Sanders. Prints on the hockey stick also belonged to Paula Sanders.
Huh? Why the hell are her prints even in the system?
You're not gonna believe this shit.
경찰 전산망에 남아있는 폴라의 지문을 발견.
I'm done getting pushed around. I have so much to tell you.
I have so much to tell you too. I also got some information. This wasn't your first dead body, now was it, Paula? I don't like it when people keep secrets.
즉 폴라에게 숨겨진 과거가 있다는 것을 깨닫게 됩니다.
We got two different shoes.
I got it. You want blue star or you want pink?
Ooh, me baby.
There you go.
Okay.
2년 전 행복한 가정을 꾸려가던 폴라와 칼.
All right, which target are we going to?
The good one.
Great.
하지만
Easy, Carl.
Caleb, can you move? We have to go.
꺼림칙한 이후 케일럽의 괴롭힘을 당하고 있었는데
Well, have a blessed day.
I'm gonna back up. Do you want? I mean, you're very close.
You got space, bud.
그러던 어느 날
Hey, you okay? What happened, Paula? What the fuck happened?
I tried to stop.
Is he dead?
우연한 사고로 그만 그를 살해하고 만 것으로
It was an accident. It must say that in the police report.
It says accident. Doesn't say much else. Weird they didn't check your blood alcohol. Pretty standard.
즉 경찰의 시선에 이미 그녀는 의문의 살해 전적이 있는 의심스러운 인물이었던 것.
I thought you were supposed to be helping me, and now you're bad copping me?
Real soon.
모든 정황이 폴라를 유력한 용의자로 몰아가지만
She skated that thing in Portland.
Maybe it was a DWI. But it's still hard to connect the dots to strangling a camboy.
사실 경찰의 여론과는 달랐던 소피아의 직감.
I can't believe this is happening.
Take your time.
그녀의 직감은 사실 데니스를 향하고 있었지만
I had PT early the next morning. I need treatment for my shoulder, and I was at Elmhurst Healing PT.
문제는
There he is. Boom.
Let's see when he leaves. Earlier than he said.
You think he teleported to the victim's house in 7 minutes? Choked him out?
그의 알리바이가 너무나도 명확했다는 것.
Can we get back to Miss Sanders now?
Yeah.
그리고 그 시각
It's my usual 2 hours.
똑같은 알리바이를 통해 감시를 벗어나는 데니스. 바로 진짜 목격자 폴라의 정체를 알아낸 것으로 이번엔 진짜 폴라를 향한 추적을 시작하는데 한편
Hello?
Miss Sanders, it's Detective Baxter. I just wanted to go through your statement again. We found some discrepancies.
What are you talking about?
You're a person of interest in his murder.
결정적 용의자로 찍힌 폴라. 그녀에게 남은 거라곤
Hi, you're here.
Yep.
Are you okay?
I don't think so.
직장 동료 루디와 게리뿐이었는데
Oh shit.
And this whole thing was fake?
Yes, but then he was murdered for real. And now I think that the cops think that I killed him.
지난 일들을 털어놓으며 도움을 요청하던 그때
Hang on. Yep. Hang on. I remember this from before because it was so cringe.
트레버의 SNS에서 공범의 반지를 찾아낸 루디.
You continue.
Look, guys.
Oh yeah, it's the same douchey ring.
He's at a party with Trevor, which means the guy in the video is like a friend of his.
Oh shit! Yes, one guy, and maybe he knows something.
이에 정보가 필요했던 그들은
Oh, hi, sexy. I see we're at the office, huh? Shall we give my performance review?
Oh no! I just want to talk.
트레버의 웹캠 동료 스카이와 접선했고
You know, I have some information about his death, but I wondered if maybe you did too, and maybe we could compare notes. Maybe we could make them if we piece things together.
Okay.
Because this looks like a horror movie.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Will it? A guy who clearly rouges his nips, by the way, wants to meet in person at an abandoned murder motel.
It'll be okay. It's the daytime. If I'm not back in 30 minutes, call me.
폴라는 외딴 폐모텔에서 그를 직접 독대하게 되는데
I'm Sky. So cool to meet you.
Me too. I'm Paula.
그런데
Can't believe he's gone.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what happened.
Me too. That's scary. So you said you had some information about Trevor's death?
그녀를 지켜보는 누군가의 시선. 그리고
Trevor was very flexible, both sexually and physically, which is why he was
스카이에게서 겹쳐 보이는
Way of making people open up. He knew what he was doing.
납치범의 모습.
Real strides on his way.
It was you. You were the one who attacked Trevor in that video.
바로 그들이 폴라를 협박하던 스캠의 일당이었던 것. 그리고
Fuck, it could be anybody. A man, a woman.
It was a man. I saw it. I was hiding in the closet.
You were there?
The only thing I could really see were his boots.
Boots.
He was wearing Trevor's Red Wings. I could tell because of mismatched laces.
폴라가 살인범에 대해 설명하자
Right. You know who that was, don't you?
No,
Hi. I'm sorry about this, but don't fucking move.
본색을 드러내는 스캠 일당.
Told you it was probably him. Trev warned us that if he ever found out that we were scamming people behind his back, it would be
Hey,
bad.
you're right. You're always right. He's gonna come for us too. What do we do?
그들은 이미 데니스의 존재를 알고 있던 것으로
Hello.
I have someone here who witnessed you commit murder.
They can prove it was you, but I've got them nice and secure, and I can give them to you for a price.
곧장 데니스에게 그녀를 팔아넘기는데
How much?
$30,000.
Half now, and then I send the address.
졸지에 제발로 살인범을 마주할 상황에
I don't deserve this. I'm not.
What are you fucking doing?
Okay,
You don't have to do this. You don't have to tie me up. I'm not going to do anything.
Shut up! Just get in the fucking chair!
그대로 포박당할 위기의 순간
Fucking chair! What the hell are you doing? You gotta focus!
Trying
Get
to.
your head in the game. What are you
I'm trying to focus.
난사되는 네일건으로 위기를 모면했고
I'm gonna fucking kill you!
간신히 도주에 성공하는데
Jeez! Drive! Okay. Drive! Just fucking drive!
그리고
I'm gonna bring the car right outside, and then I'm gonna pull it out really fast and get you to a doctor, okay?
Hurry.
2 minutes.
이제 마찬가지로 위험해진 일당도 현장을 벗어나야 했지만
No.
Where are you?
Dennis is here. You have to get out right now.
그새 도착한 데니스 끝내 놈을 제거하며 현장을 벗어나려 했지만
Oh shit.
It's all good, man. It's okay. I know where she is. We can find her. We have a car. You can come with me. We can ride shotgun.
본색을 드러낸 그는
You know, all Trevor's friends, I always liked you the best. But you talk too much.
잔혹하게 스카이를 살해하고 맙니다. 엉망진창 꼬여버린 폴라의 일상. 과연 이 미친 전개는 어떤 결말에 도달할 수 있을지. 애플 TV 시리즈 도파민 최대 보장이었습니다. 오늘 소개해드린 도파민 최대 보장은 2026년 5월 20일부터 공개된 애플 TV의 따끈따끈한 신작 시리즈로 우리에겐 쉬얼크로 익숙한 배우 타티아나 마슬라니 주연의 코미디 스릴러 작품입니다. 인터넷 사기극 스캠을 중심으로 예측할 수 없는 독특한 스토리가 펼쳐지며 훌륭한 몰입감을 선사하는데 로튼토마토 평론가 지수 93%, 관객 지수 84%라는 호평을 받고 있는 작품이기에 오늘의 영상이 취향에 맞으신다면 직접 시청해보시는 것을 추천드리며, 오늘의 영상은 시리즈의 5화까지를 담고 있다는 점, 그리고 도파민 최대 보장은 오직 애플 TV에서 시청할 수 있다는 점 알려드립니다. 오늘의 영상 여기까지였습니다. 영상이 재밌으셨다면 추가 댓글 그리고 구독도 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다. 지금까지 삐맨이었습니다.